nakakalusog.
New Bear Brand Busog-Lusog Family Cereal Drink. Mas pinarami with iron and zinc, pang-tibay resistensya. Mas pinasarap pa.
Busog? Lusog?
New Bear Brand Busog-Lusog Family Cereal Drink from Nestle.
Wow. Isn't this abalones?
Oh. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Let Director O, the chef, explain to you the details. He knows much more about it than I do.
Thank you so much. Ang abalone, sa dagat sila pinalalaki at nabubuhay sila sa pagkain ng gulamang dagat at iba pang halaman dagat. Itong dahilan kung bakit sila ay masustansya, may kaaya-ayang amoy at masarap sa panlasa. Lubha itong pinahahalagahan at nababagay lang sa maharlikang panlasa ng hari.
Highly treasured and only given to the king who is highly
At
loved.
upang makamit ang lubos na kasiyahan ay kailangan ng matyagang paghihintay. At yan ang kasaysayan at kalidad ng pagkain naghihintay sa inyo.
Only for those who's willing to wait will find happiness. That is the quality and the story of the food that's waiting for you.
Wow, the virtue of patience. And you have told us this by using the abalone as an example. Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Well done! I can say that Unamjung is now the Korea's best! And no, I mean the world's best restaurant! I'm excited. Can we all now taste the bliss of waiting?
Robert, it's really wonderful.
This is cold shrimp and abalone. Try it out.
Oh, dessert ng susunod natin. Team A, macaroon, soccer, tort, black forest at eclairs.
Yes, sir!
Team B, green tea rice cake at pumpkin chiffon. Ayusin niyo mabuti ang balot niyan, ha?
Yes,
Okay? O sige, double time!
Ngayon, nais naming pahayag sa inyo ang konting kasaysayan ng pagkain Koreano.
Most food throughout Korean history has been using beef broth.
Isa ang salyangtang sa gumagamit nito.
Salyangtang is an example.
Pinakukuluan ng magkasabay ang karne ng baka at ang buto nito na umaabot ng ilang oras.
The beef and bones are boiled for a very long time.
Ang bawat sandali ng pagluluto ng isang chef ay mga oras kung saan tunay siyang nasisiyahan.
The time taken preparing food for the guest is a great time for the chef.
Nasa inyong harapan, ang abalone at meat bone soup at ito'y pinakuluan ng 12 oras.
Now here is abalone and meat bone soup. It was boiled for 12 hours.
I really like this salyangtang. Really, the traditional soup finally meets the abalone. How did you get this idea? It's really wonderful. I've been waiting for this moment for all of my life. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Applause! Applause! Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you.
Sarap!
Mali ang gustong mangyari ng kumpanya. Pero hindi si Jenna.
Sandali lang! Hindi mo rin ba naiisip na pwedeng nagkakamali ka lang, ha? Naisip mo bang pwede din ako maloko? Tao lang tayong pwedeng paikutin ng ibang tao.
Tigilan na natin to. Tapos ng lahat sa atin. Grabe. Umuntik mo nang basagin yung order ko, ah. Jenna.
Akala mo ba nakakatawa ito?
Sandali. Shelly!
Patrick, ano ba ang ginawa mo sa kanya at nagkakaganyan siya, ha?
Ay, bahala siya.
Sige na, kausapin mo na si Jenna.
Oh,
Huwag na lang.
magagalit sa akin si Papa eh. Arte.
When we say fun, we will give you fun. Here in Kapuso Mall Buddy, the Kapuso Nationwide Mall Shows. Airing on September 25, Sunday, 8 a.m. Let's watch Kapuso!
Yung suot mo to, eh para magkasama na rin tayo.
Ang teledramang minahal ninyo noon. Mas mamahalin niyo pa ngayon. Abangan sa GMA.
Ang Magic Circle of 20, buo ang loob at may apoy sa dibdib. Raymond Fermin, Jesse Dignos, Reno El Pael, Jerbol Valero, Julito Catubay, Jerome Baja, Ejito Ilbo, Leonard Nicanor, Rodel Wenceslao, Don